go. Off to Dave's.
That's the first thing he asked me. Did you already get the car? No, I didn't already get the car.
Out here, 7:30 a.m. Middle of July. Over by Cabrini Green. Headed out to Villa Park for the day. We're gonna run, play some golf.
At the stop sign up there, turn left.
How's your day going so far, Shaq? What's been your favorite part?
The 10 extra minutes that I got to sleep after my alarm went off. Wow!
Dave, you like it? You look real foggy. Into the Churchill Woods.
Yeah, we got a team photo.
Oh, okay.
Stop, dude! It's back here, dude! Hey, Andy.
Creek crossing.
Oh, that's such a...
Alright, on a fun scale from 1 to 10, I'm gonna give that a 7. Dave? Not. That's for sure. 6. Okay, Matt? 5. So we average like a 5. Assuming Dave's was a 0. Jump!
Yeah, I would totally beat you then.
There you go, Dave.
Are we stopping everything?
All right, beautiful. Jack, you're a professional tie-dyer. What do we do?
It looks good. Mine looks like it's gonna tie-dye swirl and it's gonna be excellent.
Okay.
Like that?
Yeah, there you go.